Hello everyone, welcome to Luminous Logic. Today we are going to learn how to apply for the CCC exam and why it is very important for everyone. Let's start with the introduction. First of all, what is CCC? CCC stands for Course on Computer Concepts. It is a basic computer course designed to provide essential knowledge about computers, the internet, and digital services. This course is especially helpful for students, job seekers, and anyone who wants to improve their computer skills. The CCC course is conducted by NIELIT, the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. It is an 80-hour course which includes 25 hours of theory, 50 hours of practicals, and 5 hours of tutorials. Now let's talk about the exam. The duration of the NIELIT CCC exam is 90 minutes. The exact exam date, time, and reporting details will be given on your admit card issued by NIELIT. The examination fee for CCC is 500 Indian rupees plus GST. You can pay this fee online through NEFT, RTGS, credit card, debit card, or net banking while filling out the form on the NIELIT website. Now the question is, who is eligible? The good news is, anyone can apply. Whether you have completed 10th, 12th, or graduation, you are eligible. You will need some basic documents to apply. Aadhaar card, valid email, ID, recent photograph, signature, thumb impression. Now, let's see how to apply step by step. 1. Go to Google and type NIELIT CCC Exam Apply. 2. Open the first official website of NIELIT. 3. On the right side of the homepage, scroll a little and click on the 6th option, Apply Online. 4. You will see many courses listed. On the top middle section, under IT Literacy Courses, choose the second option, CCC. 5. A form will appear. Tick the checkbox and click on Proceed. 6. Now, fill in all the details carefully. 7. Upload your photo, signature, and thumb impression. Remember, the file size and format must match the instructions. If you don't know how to resize your image, just click the I button above to watch our step-by-step tutorial. Finally, submit the form and make the payment. 8. That's it. You have successfully applied for the CCC exam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Luminous Logic for more useful guides. For more useful guides and to learn technical subjects like programming and IT tools, make sure to follow and subscribe to the Luminous Logic YouTube channel.